Hi everyone. Today on my workbench I have Dan's Quadrafire brand pellet stove controller. It is actually model number HHT 7000-205. This is a pellet stove controller that I currently have in my Castile, and Dan sent it to me because he was having some auger driving problems with it. So we discussed over the phone some possible causes for it and some troubleshooting that he could do at home, trying to drive his motors directly plugged into the wall outlet, and we decided to send me the controller so I could check it out. So I have it plugged into my furnace. The furnace is currently off, and I have my thermocouple, which is off, so simulated unplugged. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and as we do that, a couple things will happen. We hear the exhaust fan come on, and two things. We see the red light come up. Notice that red light? That's indicating that it's on solid, so the thermocouple is off. That's a troubleshooting tip there. If the thermocouple is open, you'll get that red light. And then the little yellow light beside it that we see blinking, that's the new LED I installed to tell us when the auger is driving. So I'll go ahead and turn on my thermocouple to give us some room temperature here. I'll go to low output, and we're at 89 degrees Fahrenheit. And I am not calling, I am calling for heat right now. See the light behind my controller? And we see the auger is on. If I go ahead and turn that off, the auger goes off. So I'll go back and call for heat again. And we go through our blinking blue light cycle once again. And the auger is on for approximately 2 minutes. We're at 85 degrees Fahrenheit. What I can do with the light on, I can quickly go around and I'll see if I can catch the auger spinning in my bin. We can see it spin. It's difficult to see, but there's a mark on my auger and we can see that it's moving. So on initial startup, you get that 2-minute auger run. So there it is, it's still running. So at 85 degrees, I'm going to increase the temperature here. I'll go back to here. And we're seeing 119 volts AC. That's the voltage going to the heater element. So we're trying to drive the heater element right now. So I'll go back to the temperature. I'll increase it to just under 200. And when I do just under 200, we turn on the yellow LED. So that red LED is now yellow. And we're at 190, so we're pretty well 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And it'll stay that way. The auger will not feed anymore. The fire is supposedly catching on and starting to get warmer and warmer. And I'm going to increase the temperature to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. And when I do 600, we'll notice that the yellow light will turn red. There it is. So we're at 600 degrees Fahrenheit. The light has turned red, and we're going to see the auger cycle on and off. Notice that? The auger is cycling on and off. So there we have it, Dan. Indication that your controller is fully functional. There's not much more that we can do with this at the moment. So the auger controller is functioning. My auger in this stove actually does work. It does spin up, so your controller is controlling my auger correctly. Everything from my point of view is functioning right. I will give you a call, Dan, about this one. There's a few questions we have to answer and see what other troubleshooting issues we might do to make sure that you have a functional stove. But I'm ready to send this one back to you. I do want to thank you for sending that to me. I appreciate it very much. And to all the viewers out there, if you have a similar pellet stove controller that you have some issues with, feel free to leave a message down below or contact me. My contact information will be in the information for this video. And I urge all of you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I keep publishing more of these videos, and if you're interested, this is a good way to learn more about them. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a good night.